Alright guys, so we're back with another quick unboxing slash first impression video. This time it's going to be on the Hasport Egk2 mount kit. This mount kit is used to swap a K-series into either an EG or a DC Integra. The good thing about this kit is that this is what you'll need for the all-wheel drive transmission as well as the TSX or core transmission. On here I actually went with the softest option, the 62A urethane, and I went with that because this is going to be a street car and I want it to be as streetable as possible. And I feel like if I get the softest version, I'm not happy with the performance, you can always upgrade later. Of course, the higher you go up, the stiffer they're going to be. So the 94 is going to be really stiff urethane, almost comparable to solid mounts. But let's go ahead and get these things opened up. Of course, we just got there's a lot of paper in here, and these things really aren't packaged how you might think they'd be packaged. They're really just wrapped in paper. Now there is a lot of paper, so I'm not worried about them getting damaged. But we can open up the first mount. Of course, you see it is stamped with the Hasport logo, made USA. Hasport is known for making very high quality mounts for the K-series swap. Of course, you can get swap mounts off of eBay as well. You have a lot to worry about as far as quality. Even in some cases, can cause your axles not to fit properly. See, this is a billet aluminum housing. You have your urethane, which I believe these are interchangeable. It's stamped on the bottom, EKKRH. Yeah, so they feel pretty solid. They look good. The edges are all nice and finished. So we'll go ahead and set that to the side. That's one mount. So of course, we just have one of the brackets. The welds look pretty good. The coating feels really smooth and consistent. There are no sharp edges, and this feels like a pretty hefty chunk of metal here. So as I said, there's a ton of paper in here. This is really not what I was expecting. I guess I was expecting, because of the price of these and how they're advertised as being super high quality, they would come in like a foam fitted sort of packaging and not really wrapped up like a cheap Christmas present. I guess it doesn't really matter as long as the product is the quality that you're looking for. All right, so here's another one. So if you look at the side of this mount, it actually says K-flip on it. So I'm guessing this is the one, and especially because it's branded on both sides. You see it has Hasport on top and the bottom, where if you need to adjust the height of it, you can flip it over. Because this is all the dual mount kit, or dual height kit. This one actually has some tape on it. I'm not sure why that is. The rest of them just kind of wrapped up. Okay, so we have this mount. Of course, this says EGKRR on it. Another one of our brackets. This last one is kind of just sitting in the bottom of the box, not really wrapped up like the rest of it. And I believe this is the side mount that goes like on the passenger side of your car. Or from what I've seen, is that you can bolt these in place, but they do recommend welding them as well. So I'm not sure if welding is required or just something they suggest, but I know you can bolt these in place to get them lined up and then weld it if you decide to go that route. So this is the last thing in this box. This feels like hardware. So you can see that we have all of our hardware. That should be everything. And the rest of what's in this box is just more paper. So see, there's a ton of paper in here. Everything looks to have made it in one piece and without damage. So that's the most important part. So, all right, guys, that's it. That's my unboxing slash initial impression of the Hasport Egk2 motor mounts. Thing looks to be really high quality, is what you would expect from Hasport, with the exception of the packaging. But all the products look and feel really good. You would expect that for the price. Now, of course, that does vary depending on who you buy it from, and when you buy it. But you're looking at spending about $500 on just these few pieces here. But this is the mount kit that most people recommend. But with that said, I want to thank you guys for watching my video. If you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, so you can continue to follow the build of the Integra. Have a great day.